My name's Schuster and I'm back with another pickup. This time I got the strawberry coughs and the SB Dunks, Dunk Highs. And we're going to be going over the shoe. So let's start out with the outsole. It's got a translucent outsole here, which goes from the green to the red. And it's got like the strawberry, I guess the outside of the strawberry, you can see the little seeds. And it is leather. And so is the toe box here. It's got soft leather. I would say it feels like the Italian leather, that real soft, smooth leather. And the toe box there, it's got the seeds on it. And it comes with the extra laces. The Nike swoosh and the back part have that long-haired suede. And this part here is like velvet. Around the heel cup here, this pull tab, I guess it's like the stem on the top of a strawberry. The little pull tab. It doesn't have a hole or anything in it. Like you can't go through it. It's just a solid piece. And let's look at the insoles. This is what it has inside. Got the Zoom Air here. And here's what the shoes look like unlaced. So you can get a look behind. It's got velvet material, real soft like this. Same thing here. Show you the stitching on the inside. And a look at the size tag. Behind the tongue, nothing special. Looks like there's a pocket right here. I see Velcro down there. Yeah, so you can pull that apart. The tongue's got pink on it. It fades down into this color here. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but you can let us know in the comments if that's supposed to be that color. Laces look pretty good. They're not too skinny. Got the Nike SB on it. And if you have a pair of these yourself, let us know if you spot any differences on them. I think on the authentic ones that I saw, that where it says cough cough, I don't think you can you see that clearly on the authentic ones? These you can see it, but it's not like, you can see how it's not super clear. Yeah, they're pretty good, and I got them really cheap. And I'm going to be wearing these a lot. They look like they run big. They say 12, but they look like a 13. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get up out of here. I'll catch you on the next one.